Hey guys, it's this done well. Since it's the beginning of fall, I thought we would look at a book about fall foods, things that people in the United States eat this time of year. Fall foods. Which foods are ripe in the fall? Pears are ripe in the fall. We bite them. Apples are ripe. We pick them. Beets are ripe. We pull them. Potatoes are ripe. We dig them. Cabbages are ripe. We chop them. Pumpkins are ripe. We find them. You see a lot of people with pumpkins on their steps this time of year. And sometimes they carve them and make eyes and a nose and a mouth. So many foods are ripe in the fall. Let's eat. The end.